Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change DNS server in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First, take note of any DNS addresses you might have set up, and save them in a safe place, in case you need to use them later. I will be using Cloudflare public DNS, but you can use any other providers like Google. Method 1. Using Control Panel. Go to the search bar, search for Control Panel, and open it. Click on Network and Internet, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Next, click on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your internet connection, whether it's Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and choose Properties. Then double-click on the Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. If your network supports it, you can click the Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6. In the General tab, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Depending on what you want to configure, choose one of the public DNS addresses for IPv4 or IPv6. Then, in the preferred DNS server for IPv4, type 1.1.1.1, and in the alternative DNS server, type 1.0.0.1. You can also use any other DNS providers. Lastly, click on OK. Method 2. Using Windows Settings. Press the Windows key +I to open Settings, or right-click the Start menu, and click on Settings. Then click on Network and Internet. Then click on your internet connection, whether it's Ethernet or Wi-Fi. In the case of Wi-Fi, you first need to click on Hardware Properties. Then go to DNS Server Assignment and click on Edit. Now choose Manual and toggle the IPv4 switch or IPv6 switch if your network supports it, and enter the preferred and alternative DNS addresses, and click on Save. Note, for example, you can use the DNS address from Cloudflare as the preferred DNS server 1.1.1.1 and the DNS address from Google as the alternative DNS server 8.8.8.8, etc. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.